Hi guys, welcome back to UCC, UPSC Culture Club, your UPSC through our UCC. We know that UPSC exam is the most powerful weapon for everyone to change the world around us. As you all know, UPSC exam has 3 steps. Number 1, preliminary, after that mains, finally interview. The first problem is how to crack the preliminary. Yes, I know every aspirant put their equal hard work to get in prelims. But only half of the aspirants are eligible to mains. Remaining were not eligible for mains. Why? What's the difference between them? The difference is lack of smart work. Yes. In each and every field, the hard work only will never wins, as well as the smart work only will never wins. So hard work plus smart work will always wins. So please try it out. That too in UPSC preliminary, we should need smart work. One of the smart work for preliminary is guesswork and elimination process. So today's topic is guesswork and elimination process in UPSC preliminary examination. Why? Why I choose this area? If you observe the question paper, only 40 to 45% questions are we know directly or indirectly. That's the correct, right? Because no aspirant will know each and every question. We know hardly 40 to 45. But to cross the cutoff, that's not enough. We should attempt at least 70 to 80 questions mandatory. That too negative marks is there, right? But the problem with this hour is, without analyzing, we think like, oh, guesswork, it will never work. That to me, there is a question mark on our faces. And we did get scared of guessing. So, first what we have to do is, try and see where you stand in guesswork. And then question yourself, are you a person of precision or are you a person, someone who good at guesswork? Because I honestly think that all of us can make a good guesswork, it's just that. And even guessing question in eliminating options, there are certain things that you should identify. Number 1 is identify your pattern of mistakes. The entire process is about self-awareness, which means you should know where you are going wrong. Because unless you know where you are going wrong, you can't correct it. See, if you have answered a question wrong, ask yourself why your brain chose the wrong answer, not the correct answer. How did your brain work? Why did you choose that, not this? So I think that's where you can eliminate the chances of choosing the wrong answer and you can improve your guesswork. See, if this works for you, you can go ahead. And second is the testing method. First you have to do is take a mock test in the first you used to attempt in the first round. Only those questions about which should and used to fill those circles with the pen. In second round, you should to fill with pencil, which you are not sure. Then see how many guesswork you made and then how many questions are right in the guess questions. For example, if you made 40 guess questions, out of which 25 to 30 are right, you are getting a good score. It's positive score. Go ahead. So, this exercise mark after mark will give you confidence in your guesswork. And one thing is everyone will have a good guesswork in any one subject. Like for me, I am good guesswork at the history, that to medieval history. Like everyone will have their own good guesswork subject. So this method should be applied in your mock test and later we will discuss about the elimination process of options. And one thing you have to remember is that I know you have a doubt like is this really works? Actually this trick is for really who prepared whole with hard work. Because this is a smart work. Without hard work there is nothing called smart work. So remind yourself that it's okay not to be perfect. Because in this world there is nothing a world called perfect. Just is that okay. So guys, please try it out. It will help to your preliminary examinations. And all the best. Thank you everyone. And subscribe, share, like UCC.